In today's video, I'm going to teach you how undo works in Power BI, covering what you can do, the limitations you might encounter, and some tips to make sure you don't lose any of your crucial work. When you're working in Power BI Desktop, particularly in the report editing view, it's essential to understand the capabilities and quirks of the basic undo and redo functions to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're in the report edit view, and you make a change you're not quite happy with. Fear not, because Power BI has a simple solution. By pressing Ctrl+Z, you can quickly undo most of the recent actions you've just completed. Think of it as a handy little magic wand that helps to revert unwanted alterations immediately. Whether you've moved a visual, changed a visual type, or accidentally deleted a field, Ctrl+Z acts as your safety net. It's the quickest way to backtrack when something doesn't go as planned. Now, there might be times when you realize you've undone one move too many and need to step forward again. For these situations, you'll want to familiarize yourself with Ctrl+Y. This function allows you to redo any actions you've just undone. It's like moving forward in time to exactly where you had made those changes. Imagine you're carefully constructing a data visualization masterpiece. Using the redo function can be incredibly helpful when trying to perfect the placement and characteristics of your visuals. While these functions cover a broad range of activities, things like moving visuals around, changing their types, or adding and removing fields, it's essential to recognize there are limitations. Not every single action is reversible with a simple keystroke combination. Larger scale changes, advanced customizations, or more complex formula adjustments might not be as easily undone. So, it's always wise to be mindful and sometimes a little cautious, particularly when attempting significant modifications to your reports. To help prevent any undesired loss, a good practice is to periodically save your work. Making frequent use of the save option ensures that any unexpected issues or limitations don't set you back too far in your progress. Additionally, consider keeping versioned backups of your files, particularly before making substantial alterations. This way, you can always retrace your steps to a previous version if needed without completely losing your hard work. In summary, while the basic undo and redo functions in Power BI Desktop are incredibly useful for managing recent changes, understanding their scope and limits will save you time and effort. As you become more accustomed to using these tools effectively, you'll find navigating Power BI and creating compelling reports even easier. So, keep these tips in mind next time you dive into Power BI Desktop, and you'll maintain more control over your project, ensuring your data narrative unfolds exactly as you intend.